All right, you can also practice in under NISM, which is National Institute of Securities Market. This website, when you open this website, you can also try this test for yourself. Okay, certification exam. You can try it for yourself. Okay, now first question: what is the role of a research analyst? The right answer was research analysts help their clients to take informed decisions. Now, second question: analysts and decision making, the two imperative parameters involved in are affected by which are the following factors? All of the above. Management ethics, revenues and cost, efficiency of operations. Okay, all of the above. All right. Third one, sell side analysts generally work for money managers like mutual funds, hedge funds, portfolio managers who purchase and sell securities for their own investment accounts or on behalf of the clients, which was false. Okay. As per SCRA, the term securities include which of the following? All of the above. Government securities, derivatives, shares, scripts, and bonds. All right. The dash of the equity shares, the intrinsic value of the equity shares is the discounted value of its future benefits to the investors. All right. So I was wrong. Calculate the enterprise value on the given information. Market capitalization 10 lakhs, total debts 3 lakhs, cash is 4 lakhs. So answer was 9 lakhs. Okay, no worries. You can calculate it. Okay, bonds which have embedded call option in them are known as callable bonds. State whether the true or false. No, true. It was. You have not answered these questions. Okay, so you can also practice like this. Okay, they have provided right answers also. Okay, chalo, let us complete it only. Okay, in technical analysis, impact of day-to-day fluctuations in prices is annulled by which of the following factors? Using moving averages. All right. Okay. Which of the following statement about limitation of quantitative approach to fundamental analysis is correct? Changes in accounting standards, business structures, and regulations limit the effectiveness of the quantitative analysis in forecasting future. All right. Now, focus of microeconomics is on the factors that influence aggregate supply and demand is an economy, such as unemployment rates, gross domestic product, overall price levels, inflation, savings rate, investment rates, state whether it's true or false, which is false. Okay. Now another. Two major influencers of the public policies in an economy are government, central bank. Okay. Two major influencers of public policies. Okay. Now, national income of an economy can be measured through which of the following? All of the above. Product method, income method, expenditure method. All right. The fiscal deficit is bridged by the government through market borrowings. Okay. Both the short term and the long term. True. Okay. The what is this? Tire industry in the company comprised of the three organized players and several unorganized players. A sample survey revealed that around 20% of total sales come from the unorganized sectors. Three major companies reported revenue of 6 crore rupees and 8,000 crore and 10,000 crore respectively for the year 2019. Which of the following is closest to the fair estimate of the overall size of the tire company in the country for the year 2019? Okay, you can calculate it. The answer is 30,000 rupees. Okay. An industry where rivalry is high, the end result will be lower pricing power and lower incomes for the industry participants. All right. Who can exert a lot of pressure and dictate prices if there is a large number of sellers and with similar products and services consumers? All right. Which of the following is considered as an economic factor in PESTLE analysis? All of the above. Forex reserves, monetary policies of the RBI, countries' dependence on the countries in the terms of important natural resources. All right. What does industry structure and structure conduct performance analysis refer to? All of the above. Industry growth, relationships among the various players in the industry, and market size. Okay. If the financials are great, is it is expected that the quality of the business is also good. State to the true or false. Okay, now it's true. Now another. Okay, corporate governance takes into account which of aspects of the management integrity. Okay, corporate governance. All right. Shareholding pattern and changes therein have to be informed by the companies to the exchanges periodically. True. All right. A good analyst must keep a track record of the disclosures, commitments, and deliveries of the organization periodically to adjure the company. Okay. True. Which of the following items are found in the income statement? Changes in inventory of the finished goods and work in progress. Okay. Which section is the cash flow will be provided the information about the amount of the funds that the company borrowed. Okay, sorry. Amount of the funds that the company borrowed to the during the preceding year. Financial cash flows. Okay, financing cash flows. Which of the following measures the ability of the company to satisfy its short-term obligations as and when they come due? Current ratio. Okay. Price to earnings ratio of the business is 10. Price to book value ratio of the business is 5. Book value per ratio per share is 15. Outstanding number of shares 10,000. What would be the return on the equity of this business? 50%. Okay. Which companies, okay, sorry, when companies give new share to the existing shareholders without any consideration, it is known as stock dividend. Okay. Companies Act requires that a company which want to raise further capital to an issue of the shares must first offer them to the existing shareholders, and such an offer is known as right issue. Okay. Changing the structure of the share capital of the company by increasing the par value of its shares in the defined ratio and the correspondingly reduce the number of the shares to maintain the unpaid subscribed capital is known as share consolidation. Okay. Delisting of the shares refers to the removal of the shares of the company from being listed on the stock exchange permanent. If the interest rates in the economy rise, price of the bond would be fall. Price of the bond would fall. Okay, which of the following is a non-cash charge? Both A and B. Amortization of the capital expenses, depreciation. Okay, now A and B. Okay, another one. Okay, what is the earnings yields if the price of the stock is 195 and EPS is 13, 6.67%? You can calculate it. How is price to earnings ratio calculated? Current price of the stock, earnings price per share is okay. Calling feature in bonds is most prevalent, then interest rates are expected to fall. Okay. Okay. Dash bias can prevent the investors from benefiting from the correct market corrections. Herd mentality. Okay, this new concept. Okay, business risk is also known as operating risk because this risk is caused by the factors that affect the operations of the company. State whether true or false. It is true. Now, dividend is a small component of the total returns from the equity. True. What analyst, which is the authentic source to check facts on the company and your reports. Okay. Leverage ratio is a part of the quantitative parameter of the business analysis. Okay. Which of the following is not a valuation parameter for the business analysis? Demand and supply of the securities in the market. Okay. If the stock has exceeded its target price, an analyst may recommend sell. Okay. Unhealthy practices in the securities market include which are the following? Insider trading. Unhealthy practices. Remember that. Okay, which is the central bank in India with the responsibility of administering the monetary policy? Reserve Bank of India. Okay, administer the monetary policy. Everybody knows. Which authority was set up with the primary responsibility of promoting old age income security by establishing and developing the regulating pension funds? Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority. PFRDA. The bylaws of the stock exchange are the same as across the exchanges and need to be approved by the SEBI. State true or false? Which is false. Okay. Okay, which of these qualities are desired in a good research analyst? All of the above. Knack for numbers and interpretations. Okay, this was the fourth only. So these are repeating. Okay, completed. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye bye.